Hello and welcome. This is Monica. We're at Furgok, a manufacturer of really original campervans from Spain, from Pamplona. And Monica, what is this one here? Furgok X Space 600 Plus.
Okay, this is like the traditional layout, but with some different points.
Oh.
For example, the height of the van.
Yes, you've increased the height of the van, which is always a good idea, particularly as people are getting taller. You and I are sort of more or less average height.
Yes, we're standard.
Yeah, but there's plenty of non-standard people around. So let's
see what's inside.
Yeah, okay.
Here we have a van for 4 people traveling, okay, and up to 4 people sleeping also. We have a very huge kitchen area here. We can have 2 pan here, and we have a very huge sink also.
Yeah, the sink is very molded, very elegant. It's got this domestic style, elegant domestic, upmarket domestic look to it. Really nice.
Here we can also have a very huge living room or lunch area, okay, up to 4 people. This table has an enlargement part which can be unfolded to reach for the 4th person.
Yeah, so sitting here I can eat.
Yes, that's it. And here we have also some foldable part because
Allow the person to sit in there
to the table easier.
Yes.
Okay? This one also could be moved to the side,
Yes.
to the front part, and also we can recline a little bit, so you are more comfortable now.
Yes.
Okay. And here, this is very useful when you are driving even with childs or adults, because both of them will have a lot of space to travel much more comfortable. Here we have a huge storage area. With soft clothes everywhere, as always, and also up the cabin.
Up here.
Okay.
Yeah, lots. Yeah.
So a lot of space here for all your stuff. And in the kitchen, a lot of space here for storage. And some small details like this one.
Oh wow.
A coffee machine.
Yeah, yeah.
For the morning, to be so easy to get a coffee, so to wake up. And well, the refrigerator is compressor, like always in our brand, with freezer.
Yes.
It's 110 liters.
Yes.
Here we have the bed, which is electric also. It's 1 meter 94 up to 1 meter 94, depending of the height of the where you stop the bed, and 1 meter 35.
Yes. And we have this little bit at the end because of the shape of the vehicle.
Yes, just to go a bit lower. Stop very early. And so you have all the space here.
Yeah.
But during the day, you can drive without the bed, and you can put all your stuff in this part.
Yeah, this is handy for carrying bicycles, for example.
Yes, for example, we can set here a plank to create a big trunk. And also here you have a lot of storage space.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we have the water tank of fresh water, 125 liters here, and also the bottle of gas with 3 kilo. The gas is only for the kitchen and for the boiler, for the hot water, because the heating is called the diesel, and this one is electric.
Yes.
So we almost don't need anything of gas.
I've got the same fridge in my vehicle.
Yes, we have also a small wardrobe here, and also a hanger. And the bathroom is with our own system,
Yes.
our own patented system that we called Dynamic Space by Furgok. So here we can open here, slide, and close here.
Yeah.
Here you have the wash basin.
the sink.
Faucet,
Yes.
the sink. Okay. And here it is the shower. The shower tray, 90 centimeter long and 60 centimeter wide. And the curtain, which is antibacterial. It's weighted, so it always goes straight, stay in the right position and doesn't stick to our body. And you can store it wet, so you don't have to wait until it's dry.
I mean, that's really, it's really great that you can store something wet like that. Yeah.
And well, you have a lot of storage space also here. And finally, we've got the toilet. This one is Klesana, but we can also have the chemical Tedford, if you, depending on the customer.
Yeah.
Okay. And we also have a small detail for the privacy here.
Ah, very good.
In case that you're sleeping with someone else and you don't feel so confident with each other, you can set the curtain and have a bit more privacy during the night.
Yes, yeah, well, yes. I think that's just normal manners, to be honest.
And once you have finished, close here. And you get back the space for the rest of the day.
Yes.
And
well, so certainly the space where I am now, for example, this being the garage, I mean, this offers huge amount of potential down here. Is it possible? Will this go up any further, or is that it?
this is the higher position, I think.
Highest.
A bit more, but
Yeah,
just a little.
yeah. We'd have to remove the pillow bit up
Yes.
there and put. Well, I don't know. It might go down there, but all the same, yeah. This okay. The space is enormous
Yes.
in the vehicle, and.
It's very high.
Yeah. So for tall people,
Yes.
that's very good. Now, what about a Spanish company? But we're in Germany. Do you have any dealers in Germany?
Yes, of course. We do have dealers, and you can find our brand in our main dealer, La Marca Mobility, in Munich.
Yeah.
And after that, they have several dealers in other regions.
Yes. And perhaps we have a look at this to see where the coffee machine is.
Yes.
And so there's the coffee machine, which drops down, and there is a bit more storage, and presumably up here it's just storage. There we go. It is quite high up, but then again, you're using space to the maximum. It's all the space has been used. We've got the indirect lighting as well at the top. Okay, that's great. So I'll put some links below to other vehicles from Furgok, and we'll do another video in a moment. So thanks for the moment.
See you.